Alright, this is the 2008 BMW 535i that we took the computer out and actually desoldered the #1 fuel injector driver and soldered on a new driver. We sourced one, desoldered the old one off the circuit board in the PCM and soldered on the new one. It is installed. This car is running, and it is this is a fix. So it was cylinder 1. So here we have the scan tool hooked up. We're in OBD2 generic. We're on the generic side, not BMW specific, of the scan tool. And if we look right here, this is the telltale. There's no misfire counts in mode 6 on any cylinder here. 1, 2, there's 3, 4, there's 5, and there's 6. So this worked, and it actually worked really well. A new computer was $1,200. The shop cost, it was going to have to be programmed for another $300 or $400. We did not end up putting a new injector in here. I actually tested the injector that was in here. It actually tested okay. We're going to go to codes here, see if there's any codes. We're on the generic side of this, not the BMW, not the manufacturer specific side here. But this actually worked. The shop took the valve cover off to do the valve cover gasket, buttoned it back up, and it started misfiring. So they put plugs in it, switched coils around, did nothing. So they called me, I came, looked at it. Injectors 1, 2, and 3 were shut down. And what BMW does is they'll have a strategy of, if there's a misfire, it'll shut down that bank of injectors. So it was misfiring on cylinder #1 and shutting down cylinders 1, 2, and 3. There's a little smoke there, residual from the valve cover gasket they put on here. But the DME is right there. Right there. And this actually worked. And we saved the shop probably upwards of $1,500. So they're going to get this inspected. It's actually another dealer's car. They're going to get this inspected and send it. So 2008 BMW 535i XI. Thanks for watching.